Hey there! Today we are going to take a look at the HP DeskJet 2755e wireless color all-in-one printer. This printer is a versatile and affordable option for anyone who needs a reliable printer for their home or small office. Let's start by taking a look at the printer's features. The DeskJet 2755e is an all-in-one printer, which means it can print, scan, and copy documents. It also has built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can easily print from your computer, smartphone, or tablet without needing to connect via a cable. The printer has a paper tray that can hold up to 60 sheets of paper, which is perfect for small to medium-sized print jobs. It can print in both colors and black and white, with a maximum print resolution of 4800 by 1200 dpi. The scanner is located on the top of the printer and has a maximum resolution of 1200 dpi. It's perfect for scanning documents, photos, and even books. You can also use the scanner to make copies of documents. The DeskJet 2755e has a simple and easy-to-use control panel that allows you to easily navigate through the printer's various functions. You can use the control panel to set up the printer, connect to Wi-Fi, and even check your ink levels. Speaking of ink, the DeskJet 2755e uses HP 67 ink cartridges, which are affordable and easy to replace. The printer uses two cartridges, one for black ink and one for color ink. The cartridges are easy to install and can be purchased online or at most office supply stores. Overall, the HP DeskJet 2755e wireless color all-in-one printer is a great option for anyone who needs a reliable and affordable printer for their home or small office. With its all-in-one functionality, Wi-Fi connectivity, and easy-to-use controls, this printer is sure to meet all of your printing, scanning, and copying needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tech reviews.